Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Flower Beauty. Today I'm going to do a pick a card reading. It's an urgent message from the universe, from your spirit guides, what your spirit guides wants you to know right now, okay? It's an urgent message from your spirit guides. So I'm going to give you two options, pile 1 and pile 2, okay? Number 1 and number 2. Choose intuitively which number you're feeling we are drawn to, okay? And pause the video if you want to meditate on the numbers, okay? I'm not giving you uh, anything to just see and do it. I just want you to concentrate on your intuition. I want you to meditate on through your intuition and choose the pile, okay? I'm giving you two options, pile number 1 and pile number 2, okay? 1 and 2. So let's start a reading. Let's see. I'm going to shuffle the cards. I've shuffled the cards though. Still, let me see what is coming up for you. Angel and spirit guides, please tell me what pile number 1 needs to know right now. Angel and spirit guides, please tell me what pile number 1 needs to know right now. Angel and spirit guides, please tell me what pile number 1 needs to know. So I've shuffled all your four cards. These are your cards. I'm laying out your cards, okay? So you have got the World card, 6 chakra, Archangel Metatron, okay? And this card came in reverse. I'm taking it in reverse, okay? I hope you're able to see the cards. And you have these cards. You're gifted. Wish upon a star. Simplicity. Guys, are you able to see the cards? Then you've got curiosity, okay? And I have pulled some angels card advice, okay? That is called entrepreneur. And this child card. And I've got girls from some channel advices, okay? That is my own channel advice from angels. I'm going to read it later on. I don't know what's there. So guys, what is your advice, urgent message that you need to know right now from your angels and spirit guides and your highest self? That is, it is very positive, guys. Pile number 1, oh god, it's so positive. I'm getting such a, this pile who have chosen this pile, these people are very highly creative and very talented, very creative, very talented. And they are always in a mode of learning some new things. Yes guys, you are very with this curiosity card. You have this curiosity card. Definitely with this curiosity card, I'm getting to find that you have the ability and you are very much curious about everything, about the mysteries of the world, what is happening behind, especially on those things that you are very much interested in. So, angels are telling you to fuel your curiosity in a right way. It means if you have curiosity in something like about you are in a career path, like in a creative project or in science or technology or in computers, whatever it can be, whatever it can be, you this curiosity of yours will help you to flourish in the projects, in those things that you want to. And with this entrepreneur card, guys, I am sure ki guys, you are going to be self-employed. Yes guys, you have talent. You are a kind of person who cannot work under someone, because of the reason you are so talented. That is the reason that you cannot work under somebody. as an employee. You have to work under yourself, because of the reason you have got this entrepreneur card with the simplicity card. Okay, you are gifted. I think, guys, those who have chosen pile 1, they are thinking of starting their own business, or they have started a business or a project they are working on. They are working on very hard on it. Okay, I'm saying that they're working very hard on it. With this world card, see, this world card is over here. It means from here, see, this man is looking at this world. Okay, it means that, maybe you have, I'm just feeling from here that maybe you're focusing too much on a project. Okay, you have started a project, you're focusing too much on a project, and you are just getting that, how I'm going to complete it, what is going to happen, and you're very panicking because of the lockdown period. Everything has stopped, everything has been, come to a stop and all. Nothing is working, and you're very much, you are very much in a stress and anxiety mode. So angels are telling you, you need to let go. You need to let go of this anxiety and stress with the simplicity card. Put your energy into basis and let go of the excess. If you're putting on excess of energy onto something, onto your business, that is, you're putting on and you're getting very much drained. So angels are telling you, you need to let go of the excess energy, and you need to give your energy on the simple things. It can also be like that, maybe currently where you are living, in the space you are living in, you need to declutter the spaces, you need to clear out the spaces, because of the reason, as you are getting feeling that very much drained off. So you need to declutter, you need to clear the space, as I have told in many of my readings, many of my channel messages, guys, that you need to clear off your space. So over here I'm also getting that energy that you need to clear off the spaces, you need to go off, let go of excess things, you need to clear. Okay, clear up your space. You are gifted. Yes, you are gifted. You are very intelligent and very talented. Yes, you are a very creative person. And not only on creativity, you have started something on your own, or you want to start something on your own. And because of the lockdown, it has come to an hold, or you are not able to start it. Angels are telling you, just let go of the stress, put your anxiety, put your energy on little and small things, basic things. Okay, meditate, calm down, everything is going to be fine. And curiosity, and angels are telling you with this curiosity card, as you are starting, you are thinking of starting on a project or something like that, angels are telling you, as you are very much curious to learn something new, so angels are telling you to use this time or this lockdown period to learn, to research on those things more, so that you can have deep grasp, you can drive, angels are telling you to drive, to delve deep into those knowledge. Okay, get some more informations, get yourself very much ready, so that when the lockdown ends, you can start with, you can have a fresh start. Okay, with the, see, with this intuition cards, with this intuition card, this is 6 archangel chakra metatron. This card says that key, you are highly intuitive at the same point of time. You have become very much intuitive, you have strong intuition, your third eye is opened, wide open. And archangel metatron is telling you that focus on, you have to trust on your intuition. Your intuition is going to guide you in the right way, because it's not only your intuition, it is what angels are guiding you through your intuition, and angels are never going to misguide you. So trust your intuition. Your third eye is very much wide open. And with the second chakra card, sacral chakra is all about creativity, expansion, okay, self expression, and all these things. So this card is blocked. It means angels are telling you ki maybe your creativity, something is blocked now, right now, because of this lockdown period, something has got into a hold, and you're feeling, maybe it is also because of the reason, you have given so much excess energy onto this project or to this thing, that you are feeling very much drained out. So angels are telling you to stop giving so much of energy. Okay, you need to stop giving so much of energy, you need to calm down, Wish upon a star. See, your wish will be granted. Whatever you are wishing upon, your wish is going to be granted. But right now you need to rest and relax, and this creativity card is on hold, guys, because you are very much run down. Okay, you are feeling very much run down with your energy. See, this child card, you care deeply about children and they readily respond to your love. All children, you including your inner child, require love, affection, attention. We can clear and open your heart and schedule so that you can give more time and energy to the children who need you. It means that from over here, maybe you have a deep connection with the children, maybe you want to work with children and that work is on hold. Okay, it can be like that also. But from here I am feeling intuitively that your inner child needs healing, because you have given so much of energy onto this project that you want to start or you have started, and it has come to it has put you on hold because of this lockdown. And you're feeling very much drained off, you're feeling very much drained off, very much tired, very much stressed out. What's going to happen, what is going to happen? And you are not letting your inner child to have fun and excitement and joy. And this lockdown period is only for resting and rejuvenating, so that when this lockdown period ends, one can have a fresh start. And if you are not going to rest and rejuvenate in this period, if you're not going to release your stress, then you cannot have that fresh energy when the lockdown period will end. So angels are telling you, it please focus on your inner child healing. You need to have fun, you need to see joy in little small things. You need to, you are focusing too much on work and all this project. Yes, angels are telling you, definitely world card, with this world card, whatever project you have to complete, they will, it's upright. It means that definitely you are going to complete the project, you will be successful, because wish upon a star is there, your talented is there. But angels are telling you right now, you have to hold on, and you need to heal, you need to give your inner child some space, joy, have fun with your spend a lot of time with your family and friends, do things that gives your inner child happiness. Be in a playful energy, you need to have in a playful energy. With the simplicity cards, you need to let go of extra stress. Okay, right now you need to calm down, and angels are also telling you, in this period you need to rest and relax and let go of the energy. And curiosity card, and you need to after the lockdown starts, before the lockdown starts, it is your homework. Angels are telling you to fuel your curiosity. Whatever subject and whatever things you're very much feeling, you are very much curious about, angels are telling you to fuel that energy to learn more about those things, okay, in this period, and relax and rejuvenate. Everything is going to be fine. So let's see, guide inner child healing. I told you healing. See, in surrender to heal. Surrender healing yourself to Creator allows Him to help you release and heal your heart from the toxicity. Have faith in Him. He understands you and loves you unconditionally. See, with this inner child card, with this simplicity card, I told you that you need to heal. You need to let go of excess stress, full energy, and this inner child needs to have fun and playful energy. Uplift your vibration. See, you are so much drained. See, these cards are so much resonating. You have your energy is so much drained, you are feeling very much run down. And right now what you need to do, you need to uplift your vibration, you need to raise your vibration. If you are going to raise your vibration, then only everything is going to be in a good place. Raise your vibration, surrender yourself with the like-minded people who has only best intentions for you. Do whatever keeps you happy and positive. Dance, sing, play and have fun. Means inner child healing. Have fun. Your inner child want to have fun. It wants to take rest and rejuvenate and do all those things that makes you happy. Be with those people that loves you, connect with those people, do whatever you feel like at home. Don't go outside, okay, but staying inside, do whatever makes you feel happy. Self respect over here, I'm getting that, as this chuck, yes, this card is on reverse, you feel like you don't have any talent and all these things, you don't have talent, you are a failure, you're feeling like that. But and doing that, it means that you are disrespecting yourself. It's not like that. You are talented. Angels have told you you are talented. It means you are talented. Self respect yourself. Respecting yourself allows you to respect others. It also allows others to see you in the same light as you see yourself and others. Self respect, if you are going to start respecting yourself, it will help you to boost up your confidence level. It is going to boost up your vibration, and at the same point of time, it's going to see others the way you are portraying yourself. Okay, if you're going to see yourself in that good light, others are going to see you in good light. If you're going to see yourself in bad light, in a very low self-esteem light, then others are going to see you in that same light that you are seeing yourself. So it's very important. So guys, this is your message, pile one. I hope it resonates with you. Please let me know in the comment box below it resonates with you or not. Okay, and so I hope everything is going to be fine. You have your wish are going to be is going to be granted, so nothing to be worried about. Okay, so bye bye, let's start for pile 2. So pile 2, these are your cards. I hope you can see it. You know, you've got, see, you've got the sun, yin and yang, walking away, indecision, family culture, grandparent, laughter. Over here I have got some, you have got a lot of cards, lot of angel cards jumped out for you, lot of angel cards. I didn't want it, but angels wanted you. I am going to see later on. And I have got some advice cards for you, that is also jumped out for you, this 3 cards. Guys, it's so heavy energy. What happened, pile 2? You are very much depressed. I'm feeling very depressed energy. You're not feeling good. Hmm. I'm getting a very hurting energy. You need to heal, guys. I'm getting you very much hurt and traumatized because of some of the past events, and especially because of your family. Something there is inside your family culture. You need to learn. You are carrying some past karmic baggages from your family. You don't know that. You need to know about more about your family, some hidden things that you don't know about your family. And I am hearing that angels are telling me that you are carrying the burden of your family's, you're carrying your family's karmic burden. Okay, you're carrying your family's karmic burden, and something is there because in your childhood or something like that, you got traumatized. You had a lot of problem and issues in your family, a lot of issues, and you're very much hurt. Oh god, see, this woman is so sad. I can feel that. I'm feeling very heavy energy from this pile. God, what happened? And you love your family, but at the same point of time, you're feeling very frustrated and you're feeling very suffocated. You're feeling like you're so much trapped. See this, walking away. You want to leave the situation, you want to come out of the situation. And I'm seeing with the sun card, it's a very good card. When this sun card cards comes in a reading, it means whatever negative is there, it's going to eliminate. He is going to eliminate with this card. This card is upright. It means very good thing is going to come into your life. You are going to have a new beginning. And also with this yin and yang card, I'm seeing that you're completing a cycle, a karmic baggage, a karmic cycle. You're ending a karmic cycle, and its sun card says this yin card means this is a card of yin card. This is yin and yang card. It means you are completing. This card is in upright. It means that you are completing a cycle, a karmic cycle, a karmic account. And this sun card, it's a new beginning, walking away. You have to walk away. If you want to have this new beginning, you have to leave this situation. but you are indecisive how to leave it because you are very much attached with your family, with your family, and you are, and this family is not letting you go. You are very much attached, emotionally attached. What this attachment is something very dangerous. Attachment never allows the people to succeed in their life because attachment is very unhealthy. No, every attachment is unhealthy. Whenever you get attached to something, these attachments are something very unhealthy and very toxic that never allows a person to grow in soul level. You have to walk away. See, this lady is walking away. Definitely you will walk away. This in though you are very indecisive about now any opportunity is going to come inside me, or job opportunity, or somebody is going to propose you, whatever it is. It can be also, if you are married, then it can also happen like that you are moving on with your partner, or you have got a job from other opportunities, and you're going to start a new life with your partner. Or it can also happen like that even if you have got divorced, or with your, and you have all these issues with your family. I can feel that something new, maybe a new love offer or something, new job offer is going to come to your love, that is going to give you this new beginning, a beautiful bright new beginning. But see this woman, she is going away, she is walking away, but still she is looking back because she has that attachment with these people. She loves these people, but she have to go, she cannot be indecisive anymore. See this indecision card, this woman, this man, this she is, see this card, this is two path, this one and this one, which one to go? He have, this person has to choose. Okay, you cannot be in this indecisive mode anymore. Okay. And see, grandparents, from this card I'm seeing that your ancestors are helping you a lot, especially your grandparents. Your grandparents are your spirit guides, and they're helping you. They will, they are going to push all the negativities out of your life in this month. Whatever negative things are coming on your way and that is holding you back for to have this new beginning, to this success, they are telling that get away from my child's way. This grandparents, this ancestors energy are is, they will never allow any negative energies to stay in your life anymore. They are telling those negative energies, get away from our baby, get away from our way, don't try to be close to our baby, get away. They will do everything possible to give you this new beginning, and they will help you. They are helping you, even they are telling you to connect with them, to help, to ask them to help you, and they are guiding you. And I'm feeling that, guys, as your grandparents are connecting you through your dreams. Pay attention to your dreams. They are trying to, when people see, every the spirit guides have certain boundaries, they cannot cross those boundaries. So what they can do within their limits, they do their best to come in contact with you. So what they do, they are trying to connect you through your dreams. So pay attention to your dreams. They are trying to guide you. Pay attention to your dreams. It's very important to pay attention to your dreams. Through your dreams, they are trying to guide you. Okay, you have to pay attention. You have a special bond with a grandparent that can never be broken. Your grandparents, your ancestors love you a lot, and they want you to be happy. They know you need a good love because you're very much depressed. See this woman, this lady is very much depressed, very sad, very sad, and she wants a new beginning, but she has so much in love with these people. Though she know these are not good, they are not serving their highest interest, for her highest interest, still she have that love. She is going, walking away, but still she is looking back, and still she is not that happy because of the attachments. And your ancestors want you to be happy. They know that you have not laughed for a long point of time, you are not happy, and they want you to see in this happy state. They want you to they want you to have a good laugh. So if you will be in this state, you cannot you cannot be happy. So you need to walk away, you need to decide. You cannot be indecisive anymore, because, and with this yen card I'm feeling that definitely you are completing a cycle. and you are going to have a new beginning. Let's see what angels are telling you. Listen, okay, there is nothing to worry about. Fresh air, perfect timing. Oh, wow. See, the messages are resonating so much. Angels are telling you, see, I told you, na, angels are telling, I told you that you have to connect with your dreams and you have to understand what their guides, what your spirit guides are telling you. So you need to calm down. You need to calm down, you need to relax, you need to relax and listen, you need to meditate. Then only you can understand what your angels, what your spirit guides are telling you. Fresh air, you need to breathe. Go out in the nature. Right now, you definitely, you are not, it's not possible to go out in the nature and breathe, but you can go in your terrace, okay, in your rooftop, and you can have a fresh air, okay. Breathe, breathe, connect. You can have lot of meditations, meditation, calm, relax music. Music therapy is very good. You can have a good music therapy that will help you. Perfect timing. See this perfect timing card, it means it is a perfect timing for you to act. Yes, you cannot be indecisive anymore. Angels are walking with you. You cannot procrastinate, you cannot delay, you cannot be indecisive anymore. You have to decide. And if you are very much worried about what to do and all, angels are telling you there is nothing to worry. Everything is under divine protection. Your spirit guides, your angels, everybody is protecting you. Nothing to worry about. You need to heal, you need to let go of these people. You need to let go of these people. Let go of these people. Let go. They're not serving good for you. When you will go, you will let go of these people, you will walk away from these people, then only after certain period of time everything is going to be fine and settled. When you will walk away, these people will be understanding, these people will understand your value, what you are actually, okay. You need to let go. Let's see some more channel messages. Transition, okay. Contemplate, see, listen, see, I told you. These cards are resonating so much over here. Where is the listen card? See, listen card and contemplate card means the same thing. Sit in a quiet place, calm your mind, think twice what you need to do, listen to your intuition and heart. Yes, you need to listen to your intuition and heart, okay? Dreams, oh God, I told you. Your spirit guides, your ancestors are trying to tell you something in your dream. Your subconscious mind is delivering you something important. You pay attention to your dreams, okay. Your subconscious mind, your ancestors are connecting you through your dreams. They're trying to tell you some important things, and you need to decode that message. If you are not able to decode right now, write this messages and you will be able to understand later on, okay, or google it. Transition, of course, you are going through a transitioning period. A new beginning will start, okay. Transition haven't even have to go, even moon have to go through a lot of several transitional phase, you know, full moon, half moon, and all these things they have to go. So that is why I have drawn all these things. So you are going through a transitional period, of course. When you are going through a transition period is not very easy and all. It have to, you have to go through some certain cleansing. Certain wounds will come up to the surface. It can happen, you will feel, you will purge a lot, you will cry a lot. It's very good, cry. You will be purging a lot this time. You will be crying, you will be fearing. This change is very much tough for you. I can understand, I can feel that every change is very tough, but you need to embrace this change. You are going to have a beautiful new beginning. You're completing a karmic cycle, guys, and you will have a beautiful beginning. Everything is under control, divine is protecting you. Nothing to be worried about, but you cannot procrastinate. Stop procrastinating, and you cannot be indecisive anymore. You have to decide. Whatever opportunity is coming in your way, you have to be decisive. And how you're going to decide what is right and wrong for you, you have to listen to your spirit guides by meditating, by keeping yourself calm down. Breathe. When you will be breathing fresh oxygen, it means you are inhaling good things and letting go of all the anxieties and stress out of your body, all the toxic energies out of your body, okay. There is nothing to worry about. Everything is under divine control. Divine is taking care of your emotions, your loving thoughts. Divine know what you are going through. Your ancestors are know What you are going through right now, it's a transition period. It's a cleansing period. In this transition period, you need to cleanse a lot, you will purge a lot. All this cleansing, detoxifying period will happen, and you will go through all these phases, because to have a new beginning, you cannot have all this toxic, you cannot have a new beginning with this toxic energy inside yourself. So you need to let go, you need to purge, you need to cleanse and detoxify all those toxic energies by going through this transition period, by letting go all these toxic people, all these toxic things out of your life. Okay, everything is will be on perfect time. It's a perfect timing, it's a perfect timing. Okay, so guys, I can feel that the pile 2 energy is very heavy. You are very depressed, in a very anxiety, you're not laughing, you're feeling very depressed. I can feel that you're feeling very heartbroken, very heartbroken kind of energy, very traumatic energy I'm getting from this pile. Family issues, lot of family issues, your beloved people have hurt you a lot, and you are also carrying your karmic baggages, family karmic baggages, that you don't have any fault, and still you're carrying your family's baggage, and your ancestors are very proud of that, because you are doing something for your ancestor, you are carrying their burden, their karmic burden, as you are a very sensitive soul. From this over here, I can feel you may be a crystal child or a star seed, crystal and indigo child, I'm feeling, or can be a star seed also, but from here I'm not feeling a star seed, but a crystal and indigo child I'm feeling. Okay, you are a very empath, you're very sensitive, your soul is very sensitive, and that is the reason people hurt you. You're very empathetic, you're very sensitive to others, but you need to let go of this people, of this toxic people. There is something hidden inside your family that you don't know, something hidden karma, something hidden karmic things, something hidden that you don't know, some family history is there. Very heavy energy from this pile. Anyways guys, you've got the sun card, nothing to worry, you're completing a cycle. So love and light to you guys. Cannot be indecisive anymore, stop procrastinating. Angels are telling you they are with you. You know, I pray just Archangel Michael, please give you the strength to cut the cord. Invite Archangel Michael to help you to cut the karmic cords with this toxic people. Love and light to you. Bye. Take care of yourself, and please let me know if it resonates with you or not. Okay, let me know in the comment box. Okay, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love and light to you. Take care of yourself.